Rock and Roll Canada web design. Hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to show you a bit of web design in this new series of rock and roll. Here's a Rock and Roll Canada website, and I think we'll use this as our example today of how we can build a pretty good looking website. Now this will be on the Genesis framework. It's a premium WordPress theme, so that if you're not really looking for a premium WordPress theme, then this video will still help you, because I'm just going to go over some making posts today for some friends that are just kind of getting into WordPress. I think WordPress is really helpful for everybody. Rock and Roll Canada, we're all about rock bands. So here's 40 Canadian rock bands. If you want to know a little bit about rock and roll in Canada, come to rockandrollcanada.ca. It's, as we said, it's kind of like a video history of rock and roll as long as I've been doing it, and for because I'm the main videographer. But the over 2000 and 1999, sorry, that's when we first started out. Rock and Roll Canada. Okay, WordPress 101. You got to work on your website. Well, that's not where you start. You're going to need a server. If you want to use my server, that's fine. Just call me. And you're going to need a domain, your fabulous website, .ca. You're Canadian, man. Promote yourself as .ca. It's the thing to do. So anyway, we go rockandrollcanada.ca/wp admin. MIN. Enter. Boom, 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 boom. By the modern technology, we're in the back end now, but you're going to have to set all that on WordPress, and I can do a video on that if you want. But there's lots of WordPress videos out there, and even lots of WordPress videos on how to make a post. Look at this, all those posts that you saw on the front end. This is the back end. We're at the back end of WordPress, and let's make a post. So we go Rock and Roll Canada. Let's visit the site again because it's so rocking. And let's take a look at a post. Oh, take a look at this one, because Anvil's playing in Hamilton next week. This is some film footage from, well, I did, yeah, this is all last year. At least a year old. At least a year old, this video. Filmed at Club Absinthe in Hamilton, Ontario. Kick-ass metal town, steel town. Shadow, Death Reception. But anyway, hell yeah. Let's just go back into Howdy Rock and Roll Canada and edit our profile. Or you can go Rock and Roll Canada, or whatever your website's called, into your dashboard. Your dashboard is your mission control in WordPress. Pretend you're Star Trek. You'll love WordPress. This is mission control. I've got 40 posts, 5 pages. 5 pages. Recent posts, which I just showed you. Anvil Club Absinthe. So let's go into posts. Post. If you're sometimes when you're using WordPress, if somebody's already set up your website for you, all you really have to do is worry about posts. To do a post, you have to add a new post. So we're going to add a new post. And now, the new WordPress is all Gutenberg blocks. Pretty cool, actually. Everything's a block. Just think of it that way. And here's a block for a title, which you would need. So let's call this, how about we just go like this. We go over to my YouTube channel, Rock and Roll Canada's YouTube channel. I'm Glenn Smith, your host. Try not to make these web designs too long, but if I go over to my channel, or Rock and Roll Canada channel, but I don't have enough subscribers to actually customize this channel yet, so if you want to subscribe, there it is. I'll put a link in the down below. And some videos. Let's go back quite a bit. And actually just let's actually post this video. No, we haven't. Let's find an old post. I know I'm wasting all your time, but because we're back, way back, I think. Way back. I haven't done Jaded Edge yet. Oh, that's a year ago. I probably have. Oh, let's do Jaded Edge. Take it on the run, baby. Take it on the run, baby. I think that's what this is. There you go. So you got a band, right? We're going over our new post. It's going to be called Jaded Run. Take it on the run, baby. We're going to copy that. We're going to go over two. And we're going to make that little sucker right there. Our title. Jaded Edge, take it on the run. Beauty. Well, we need the video. Huh. So we're adding a block. But part of the blocks, they start to remember what you do a lot. And I just love video. So look, I'm just going to add a YouTube video. And then all I'm going to do is go over there, share the video, copy the URL, go back to WordPress, paste it in there, embed, and boom. There you go. Jaded Edge is now on a post. Well, we'll caption it. What do we want to caption it? We just might as well call it, we want to caption this, Monique Richardson and Jaded Edge take it on the run Canada. Nice. There you go. Right click, copy, edit, paste, 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 bold, italic. Oh, we hook it up to a URL. Go over to Facebook. Check them out. Jaded-Edge. UDG. Take it on the run. Not really a very metal song. So, but it just took me. Look, I'm looking for Jaded Edge. Wait. Jaded Edge. Nice. Jaded Edge. Ha! There they are. Facebook.com, Jaded Edge. There's the URL. They got it. We're copying it. We're pasting it. And we're hitting enter. And there you go. It's not really what we wanted to do. Let's just delete that. And we've got to highlight all of this. Make it bold. Make it italic. Click on the link. Put it in. Copy and paste. Bob's your uncle. Click this guy. And there you go. You can see that all that links to their Facebook page. We could add another block and just call it an image. Why don't we put an image in there? So add an image. Yeah, so let's add an image. We're going to have to find an image though. So we could go to, we'll just do this for now. You ever done this? You just go over here, make that full screen. Beautiful thing. Command Shift 4 on a Mac. Command Shift 4 on a Mac, and you can just take a big. Here we go. Command Shift 4 on a Mac will let you just grab all of that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Hit click, clip escape, go down onto your desktop. You got this beautiful. That's the one that didn't work so well. I knew that. Put that in the trash. Oh, we got a couple screenshots. So that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Take it on the run. What about this one? Screenshot. Oh, this looks actually even better. It's got, oh yeah, we can do that. So we're just going to call this Jaded Edge. Oh, gotta actually click it. Jaded EDGE. There. Simple. Okay, now we're going back over to Facebook because apparently that's what we're supposed to be doing here. We're supposed to be adding an image. So you don't have to upload it now. And we're just going to take this Jaded Edge and make sure you name your JPEGs really kind of like cool. I give you Jaded Edge should be more Jaded Edge take it on the run, you know. Rename it to Jaded Edge. Jaded EDGE take it on the run. I don't know. Enter. There, let's take it. Okay, so we're going to go and we're going to just move me over here, and we're just gonna open it. And there we go. Now it's been added to our media library. Take this over here. If it's a picture, we're not going to write a caption. So that's kind of crazy, but you know, here we go. We're still working on this page. Let's move me over here. So there, now we've got, you're making, this is a pretty good page. You can add a text as well. Go up here and add a block. This is all blocks in Gutenberg, and you add a paragraph. And just write, this was at the Toronto Rock Pile, so Jaded Edge Band live at the Toronto Rock Pile. Nice. That's a very smart little, just a little paragraph. And keep that down there. Beauty. Take a look at the document. We want it to publish immediately. We want to make it public. We have the permalink, but you need to categorize. We could make up Jaded Edge is really, I would say, pretty much rock and roll. So we already have a category for that. So we're going to click it. Could add a new category if you like. And you should set a featured image. So we're going to use this image right here and just make it the featured image. This Jaded Edge, take it on the run, ping all here. So we should have some alternate text. Jaded Edge. Jaded Edge. Toronto Rock and Roll. Keep it descriptive. Toronto Rock and Roll is title. You can caption it, but we're not going to do that. So we've got that, and we have to move me over here again because I'm in the way. Here we go, Canada. So yeah, we're going to select that image, and that's going to be our featured image for this post. Oh, what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to post this immediately, although I could post it immediately, or I could backdate it. I'm going to publish it immediately. What year was this? You would move me way over up here, or actually we could kill me. Oh, I'm gone. There we go. That's probably even better, eh? Jaded Edge was June. This was published on June 30th, 2017, a couple years ago. So kind of want to put that in here as a caption. Paste it in there. That way people going to the website know this was from July 30th, a couple summers back. We could make it bold. Then we can make it italic, and we could even you can even link it to the band's page, because that's their page. We're trying to promote rock and roll is what we're trying to do here ultimately. That's what Rock and Roll Canada is, a promotion company based on indie rock and roll bands. And there you go. Hopefully that'll actually probably take them to the original video, but we'll test it out, see how it goes. So we've got the document all prepared. Status availability will be immediately, but you can actually have this post dated back all the way to 2017 if you want. I'm not going to do that today for the purpose of this video. And I'm just going to publish it. And it's asking me, are you ready? You want it public immediately. It suggests some tags. Add a new tag of rock and roll. Rock and roll, baby. There you go. Publish it. See what you get. Woo! View the post. Rock and roll, baby. We're on fire. We are on fire. Rock and Roll Canada. So this is a post. This is a blog post from rockandrollcanada.ca, dated the 2/19th to 15th day of this month, June. Jaded Edge, take it on the run. There you go. Rock and Roll Canada. Rock and Roll Canada. Nice little video here for them. Hope they like it. It's a recent post. There you go, babe. Take it on the run, baby. That's the end of rock and roll web design for today. Hope you liked it, guys. Check out Jaded Edge. They're Toronto rockers. Pretty cool. Catching the rock pile. They got podcasts too. Wally's got a podcast. Rock and roll web design. There you go. Right on your own website. Puts a pause. And we can go back to Rock and Roll Canada dashboard. And notice we have 41 posts now, 5 pages. We're running the Essence Pro theme on the Genesis framework, which hasn't been too critical in this video, really. You could pretty much do what we've done today with any WordPress. Just making a post. Making a post in WordPress. It's pretty important stuff. We go to the front end of the site. Have a little visit. Video history of rock and roll. And the Jaded Edge just actually pops up as a recent post. It keeps them in date. June 15th. We posted June 8th. If you're really serious into blogging, I recommend you blog every single day, because web spidering, the Google engines, all the engines out there, they need stuff to pick up, and if you're not giving them anything, they just ignore you. So you don't want to be ignored on the World Wide Web. So post as much as you can. And the purpose of this website, we're up to 41 bands now. 40 bands. So we could go in there and edit that. And we can go into our appearance. This is a little thing we'll worry about. We'll do widgets. Widgets in Genesis are like the most cool thing ever. And that's an after content. That's a CTA 40 recent posts. That's a widget that actually just says 40 recent posts. So we could easily just edit it like that. Save it. And this is one of the beauty things. I love the Genesis framework. I highly recommend it. And there we go. Rock and roll. We got a 41 Canadian rock bands for you. Rock and Roll Canada. Have a great day, and hope this video has been helpful. Please visit rockandrollcanada.ca.